Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the vlog.
Where are we at?
This is day
one. Pretty much day one.
Day one of camp. And it is 10:30 in the morning. We just had breakfast. Willow's exhausted and been screaming all morning.
Oh, yeah.
And now we're just on stage and we're setting up for our opening night. We got 4 weeks of this.
Or how did you have this mic? Off axis, on axis?
Axis, but it was like just where the comb meets the dust cap.
Judah, pound it.
Yeah.
Pound it, dude. Boom! Yeah! Pound it, dude. Stick shift. Good one.
Yes! Really? What's up, guys? So we are back in our room, our dark room right now, chilling and just killing time. We got about an hour before we have to be back on stage for our sound check with the whole band. We are having such a good day. Willow's being kind of crazy, but we're trying to adjust her nap schedule for while we're here. So it's gonna be kind of that way probably for a week while we try to cut some naps, because she pretty much still naps like a newborn and she's almost 1. So anyways, we are just excited to get started editing some of these videos so you guys can start to see, even though like while I'm talking about it, this is probably the 3rd or 4th video you guys will see. But anyways, that's where we're at today on Monday, and we'll just continue to bring you guys along while we do what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the month.
Woke up from an old alarm. Bones could barely roll from bed. Stood on an empty bathroom rug, walking around with one eye closed.
Alright guys, we got the kids in bed. We're gonna do some hangs now with the band. And we just wanted the band to say goodnight to the vlog. So say goodnight, guys.
Good night.
Good night. I need to sign a press release of some sort. My agent will be in touch.
Yeah.
Jimmy Radio appears courtesy of Jimmy Radio Industries.
Okay.
Really?
Mine too, guys. Mine too. I have some guy too.
I appear courtesy of Totino's Pizza Rolls.
Yeah.
Alright, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.
Stood on an empty bathroom rug.
Good morning, everybody. Doing this funny angle in the mirror, but we are starting our day. This is day 2 of camp. We're fixing to head to breakfast, and hopefully we'll be able to vlog some more interesting stuff than we have the past couple days. So just hang tight. We promise they'll get better.
Tuesday morning. Tacoma Falls.
Tuesday morning rain is falling.
Judah.
What up?
Just chilling, about to get some breakfast. And yeah, we're gonna get some grub.
So guys, how are y'all?
Solid.
Great job last night.
Thank you.
Really nice. I feel like they're like, what is it? So I want to see like after 2 more rounds of it, they're like, oh, okay, I'm digging this. And not.
You guys, we're gonna do some crazy stuff. Say it like that too.
Just wrapped up morning session worship. It was dope, and I'm dripping sweat, and I'm so out of shape since having a baby. What are we gonna do today?
Super fun. I will check out the waterfall or something.
Yeah, that or like go to Walmart because we have like a million things.
Oh, definitely a Walmart run for sure.
And eat food. That's the plan every day. We're headed to Walmart because we need all them things. We need all the things.
Right, Willow? What we need?
Oh, it's so beautiful. Morgan, what do you got to say to the vlog?
Oh man. Tell me how this fool is from Chicago. Drove from Chicago. That's commitment right there.
But then the crazier part is.
But see, anything to hang out with Isaiah.
That's right.
That makes it worth it.
Crazier part is every weekend. He's here with us all month, but every weekend this fool's driving home.
Crazy.
Gotta be there for the church fam.
There you go.
Gotta be there for the church.
Fully invested in something.
That's right. Preach.
You know, like you just gotta put your full heart into it. You know.
Exactly.
The greater reward is to come in this next life.
Also, this is the detail of my girlfriend's in Chicago. So.
Did not know that. Did not even know this guy had a girl.
See, there's your other detail.
Gotcha.
That makes things.
I mean, that's the real honesty right there.
Good zoom. Now pan.
Good zoom.
Pan and fade.
It looked like I'm out of focus on it. Okay, so I just had this random thought that I wanted to talk about because we're driving, and I was just thinking about how glad I am that we did baby-led weaning for Willow, because, and I don't like to call it baby-led weaning, but anyways, we're at this camp, and I was just thinking, if she was eating baby food, we would have had to bring all kinds of stuff, or when we got here, go into the store, spoon feed her, like, she literally just goes to the cafeteria with us or wherever we're eating, sits right next to us, and we just give her bites off of what we're eating. Like this morning, there was like a breakfast buffet. She had scrambled eggs and fruit. And last night she had pitas and hummus and like all kinds of stuff. She's just a good eater that way, or she can leave it if she doesn't want it. And I don't know, I'm just glad we did it, especially for just our like way of living and the need to be flexible, I guess, at this stage in our life and current season. So anyways, I think it is a plus. It's like, obviously she's like further advanced in her eating as far as like, you know, she's not just eating bananas and raspberries anymore. She's like fully eating quite a bit. But anyways, yeah, so random thought from Bree on a Tuesday, because we go up on a Tuesday.
She gone.
This is grocery shopping camp style, y'all. Holy cow.
Camp style.
All them junks. But I mean, also,
You know you gotta have your pants off.
it's so gross. Okay, we got our 3 o'clock rehearsal coffee, and Willow's out. She went down for a nap, and she's still asleep on Isaiah.
Totally understand. Slept for like 30 minutes. I was like, alright, now I gotta get up and walk.
we have like these floats.
We just got done with rehearsal for tonight. Night number... Dos. Number 2.
Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. I thought it was like Wednesday for some reason.
I am like feeling so tired right now, and I've had obviously coffee this morning, and then I just had afternoon coffee, and I'm still just like, I could shut my eyes while I'm walking right now.
Yeah, it's been a long day, but yeah, rehearsal was really good. We're singing some really cool songs. One song that we were wanting to do for the longest, the Tremble.
Bring it all to me. The storms surround me. Let it break. And it cannot be He's alive forever. Your name cannot be
And yeah, it sounds really good. Everyone sounds really good. And
Tonight's a blackout, so...
oh yeah, they have like theme nights every night, so tonight will be all black, just in all black. Did you bring your morph suit, Willow? Your mini morph suit, the black one? All right.
All right,
Show us.
So here's the front seat.
The front seat, look, leather, all leather
Beautiful.
interior.
The best band
Best
title.
band title. You got your water if you get a little dehydrated while you're riding this thing.
Yeah, here's the middle seat.
Here's the middle seat.
It's like prime seating, except that you got no leg room.
Boom.
And then this is the back seat where you
Back.
fall out at every single turn.
Every
so
time.
That's good seating too, but
Every time.
not ideal.
Alright, well, we're gonna go back to the room, chill for a little bit, relax for a little bit. Dinner is at 5:30.
Yeah, not really relaxed because it's like...
Yeah, you're right. So,
It's 5.
it's 5. Alright, well,
I'm gonna change and probably head back out.
there you go.
Why
Say
is
bye.
so cute?
Say bye-bye.
Why is so cute? Got it. Oh, so beautiful. This.
Be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again.
Wow.
Oh my word. Wow. That is unreal. That is amazing.
Did you guys think of the waterfall? Pretty.
I've never seen a cooler waterfall before. I'd be surprised.
I just think it's like kind of wasteful, like all that water.
Oh.
You like turn it off.
I agree. I agree. Just turn it off. Oh, it's good.